In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo and redo in Photoshop using Ctrl+Z on Windows and Command+Z on Mac. This simple shortcut is your safety net in Photoshop. Whenever you make a change, like painting a brush stroke, moving a layer, transforming an image, editing text, or applying a filter, pressing Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command+Z on Mac will instantly undo that last action. It's fast, it's precise, and it works regardless of which tool you're currently using, so you don't need to switch tools or navigate menus. Here's the key idea. In Photoshop, this shortcut acts as a toggle between undo and redo. Press it once to undo your most recent change, press it again to redo it. Each tap flips you back and forth between two states, which makes it perfect for quick before and after checks. For example, draw a line with the brush, press the shortcut to undo it, then press it again to bring the line back. Tap again and you're back to undone. It's a clean, controlled way to test a change without committing until you're sure. You'll notice subtle cues that confirm what's happening. If you glance at the edit menu, you'll see the command label switch between undo and redo as you press the shortcut. If you have the history panel visible, you'll also see the active state move back and forth with each press. These visual hints are helpful when you're working quickly or evaluating small adjustments. A few practical tips will help you get the most from this toggle. First, remember it always targets the very last thing you did. The moment you perform a new action, say you paint another stroke or move a different layer, the toggle now applies to that newest action. Second, it's great for fine-tuning decisions. Try a small adjustment, toggle to compare and keep what looks best. Third, the shortcut works while tools are active during drags and right after you release the mouse so you can stay in your creative flow. If you ever feel unsure about what you just changed, use the toggle to confirm. It's a quick confidence check that can save you from second guessing or hunting through menus. And because it's the same keys on every document and every tool, it becomes muscle memory fast. So that's the core. Ctrl+E on Windows, Command+A on Mac to undo the last action. Press the same keys again to redo, toggling between the two states for quick comparisons and precise control.